boys and girls, it's Mrs. Davis in pre-K. Did anyone get to see my YouTube video that I posted? We took a walk in my yard to learn about 4 spring flowers that are in bloom right now. Well, if you didn't get to see it, you'll have to go check it out. I told you that I would be showing you 4 fun crafts that you could make of each of the flowers that we learned about on our walk. Here are the flowers that we're going to get to make crafts about today. The daffodil, the hyacinth, the tulip, and the ForCynthia. The first one we're going to make is the daffodil. If you remember, it had a really long green stem. I decided to use construction paper. You can cut a really long rectangle and you can glue it onto your paper. You can make the leaves really long too, with a point at the top to be the long leaves for the daffodil. I'm going to lay them on my paper. You can glue them when you make yours. You could also make the stem and the leaves out of green magic marker or out of a green crayon, whichever you would like. Be creative and have fun. For the flower, we're going to use some cupcake or muffin liners. I'm going to take one of the liners and I'm going to flatten it to be the petals around the daffodil. And you can glue it down on your paper. And then we will take another cupcake liner and put some glue on the bottom and press that in the center to be that trumpet part of the daffodil that we learned about yesterday. And that is our daffodil craft. Super easy and fun. The next craft we're going to do is going to be the hyacinth. If you remember, it has a bell-shaped flower. It smells so pretty. It also has a stem and some leaves. I'm going to use a crayon for this one. I'm going to do the stem in the middle that those beautiful flowers are going to be on. And then we learned that they can have, 2, 3, 4 long leaves. And then I decided to use some construction paper. You can practice your snipping by taking some strips of construction paper and making some snips to be the flowers for your hyacinth. You could use purple or pink. And if you remember yesterday, I also had a white one. So whatever color you would like, you could use tissue paper or construction paper. I'm going to show you how you can take your snips and you can lay them close together to show that dense flower where they're real close together, all those little bell-shaped flowers, and just glue them onto that center stem. I'm just going to place mine on. You will glue yours. And you can make that beautiful flower, the hyacinth. You can add as many as you would like to fill it in and make it look so beautiful. Another one of our beautiful spring flowers that we got to see on our walk yesterday. There you go. Now another flower that we got to see was the tulip. The tulip also has some nice thick green leaves, and it has kind of like a little bell-shaped flower as well at the top. I decided to use watercolor. You could also use Crayola paint. I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to get some green paint. And I'm going to make that nice stem for my tulip. I also have those nice long green leaves. I'm going to put one on each side. It's always so much fun to paint. And then you can decide what color you would like your tulip to be. We learned yesterday that they come in lots of beautiful colors. You could do pink or red or purple or yellow or orange. I think I'm going to make mine red. I'm going to dip into my red and kind of make that bell-shaped cup for the tulip at the top. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. And then the last flower we learned about was the ForCynthia. We learned that that grows on a bush or a shrub. They have long brown branches, so I decided to use my brown crayon to show that. And I'm going to show some long brown branches. And then I thought it'd be fun to take some yellow tissue paper. And again, you can practice making some snips, make some squares so that you will have some yellow tissue paper to make the flowers for your ForCynthia. All you need to do is put a little bit of glue here and there around your brown branches. And then if you take your tissue paper and just do a quick little pinch and stick it on, you have those beautiful little bell-shaped flowers of the ForCynthia bush. Look how beautiful that looks. And you can put as many as you would like. Just show that beautiful yellow flowering bush that we saw in my backyard. So boys and girls, those are the 4 simple crafts that you could do at home about the 4 flowers that we learned about on the spring walk in my yard. I hope you have fun making one of these flower crafts at home. I would love to see a picture of it, or you can send it to one of your teachers. I'm sure they would love to see it as well. Have fun, enjoy springtime, enjoy making the flower crafts. I'll see you soon. Bye.